Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes His Trade Great. Something a little bit different, guys. So Tesla, now this is the ETF for Tesla, okay? Some of these stocks have their own ETFs. Tesla is one of them. So if you didn't want to buy Tesla at whatever it is now, $260, you wanted to buy a lot cheaper and getting a little more bang for your buck, this is a 1.5 time. This is TSLL. Now look what's happened. I mean, this stock is up. Let's just take a look at Tesla, okay? Quickly, we'll take a look at Tesla quickly. And Tesla, you know, with 2.7 billion in the float is up almost 10%. So you could buy this, sure, but the big deal about this one is that Morgan Stanley has put a $400 price target on them, okay? Now, it doesn't mean it's going to happen, not necessarily, of course, but that is one big wow for a stock like Tesla to move that much with that float. So you can take that, maybe you want to swing it, I don't know. Okay guys, want to get back into the room, have a great evening, we'll see you tomorrow.